Hi, Pao. What is statistic?
Statistics is a branch that deals with the collection, organization, interpretation, analysis, and presentation of data.
Yan. How can you apply statistic in your life, Pao?
Statistics can be used to solve problems involving involving a lot of people, and it can also be used in our when we get into college.
Yan. Number 3 question, Pao. What is your realization about statistic?
I realized that statistics is not only just a branch of mathematics, but it also helps us in our daily lives. And it is widely used in everywhere.
How can statistic change your life, Pao?
I became more aware of what statistics can can do to our world, and how can it help me in
Sige. Sige. Thank you, Pao.